So what's the best LMS or learning management system for continuing education? So if you're offering continuing education, whether that's licensing, compliance, or professional development, your LMS is one of the most important decisions you'll make. In this video, we'll break down what makes an LMS great for CE, continuing education, and which platforms we recommend based on real-world experience building CE sites that scale. My name's Evan, I'm with Woo Ninjas. We've built over 500 websites, we have 85 plugins, and we've been in business over 10 years. So today, we'll break this all down. So number one, what makes a good CE LMS? What makes a good continuing education learning management system? So continuing education isn't just about delivering content, it's about compliance, usability. So here's what we look into when we're looking for the best LMS. Automatic certificate delivery, quiz and exam tools, student progress tracking, team or group-based access, reporting for audits if those ever happen, and a mobile-friendly interface because most people are taking their education on their phone rather than their laptop. A great CE LMS will save you admin time and really support growth, not limit it. You don't want to choose a tool that later you're going to have to completely rebuild on another tool, so it's really good to make the right decision now. So right now we're going to do a quick side-by-side comparison with some of the top LMS learning management systems out there so you can find which one is right for you. So first off is LearnDash, and it's best if you want full control, deep customization. It's really perfect for CE programs that issue certificates, need detailed reporting, or sell B2B or B2C. So what's great about LearnDash is it's highly customizable, works with WooCommerce for accepting payments, and it has many powerful add-ons for teams and automation. However, it does require a bit of a technical setup, and we can even help with that. And the next one is TalentLMS. So this is another LMS. It's cloud-based, easy to launch, and great for internal or CE training. What's great about it, it has a very clean UI. It has built-in reporting and automation. It also has SCORM plus role-based access. The only issue is it has limited branding, and it's not ideal for public-facing CEs so much. More so internal CEs, done within an organization. Next on the list are maybe you search online or Google for selling courses. These are some of the products that come up. They're some of the most popular, but they're not as versatile as LearnDash or TalentLMS. First one is Teachable. So it's super simple to use. So it has that. It is more simple to use than LearnDash or TalentLMS. It has a built-in checkout, video and quiz tools. It has, however, weak group features and very limited compliance and reporting. And if you ever want customization, it probably can't happen because it is a closed system. And the same goes for Thinkific. Also easy to use, easy to start, but you can't customize it beyond the features that are already inside the platform, and pricing on these tools can get quite expensive. Usually you're going to realize you want one feature on the Grow package or even a Plus package, so you're going to have to pay more than $200 a month for Thinkific, and then with Teachable it's probably up to $200 to $400 per month. So if you are thinking about building or migrating a CE platform, we offer WordPress LMS development and ongoing maintenance to help you scale and support you along your journey. So go to wooninjas.com, scroll to the bottom of the page, and we will be there to help you. So to just give you a quick summary, which is the best LMS for you, here's how we recommend choosing. So choose LearnDash if you want full control, you're going to sell B2B, B2C, and need compliance and flexibility. However, use TalentLMS if you just want a turnkey cloud-based option for team training within your organization. However, if you just want to get started really quick and you plan on doing a bigger build out down the line, you could use Teachable or Thinkific. That's fast setup. However, it's hard to automate and difficult with compliance and certificate issuance. We've worked with all of them. We found out that LearnDash is the most scalable and flexible for continuing education clients who really want control and customization and automation in their platform and website. Also, it's really good to build on WordPress if you ever plan on selling your business because you own the entire site. With Teachable or Thinkific, it is a closed sandbox environment that you never actually own the site. If you stop paying, you lose your site. So in summary, choosing the right LMS isn't just about features, it's about setting up your platform to scale very smoothly along your journey, from just a few clients to hundreds of clients to thousands of clients. We've helped dozens and dozens of CE providers launch and grow successful LMS platforms, especially with LearnDash and WooCommerce. So if you want help choosing, setting up, or customizing your LMS, feel free to reach out to us. This is wooninjas.com. Just scroll to the bottom and feel free to put your information here and we'll get right back to you. And since you stayed till the end, I'm going to share a little bit about a feature comparison between the three. LearnDash pretty much does everything: CE certificates, quiz tools, group admin access, compliance reporting. It doesn't have a built-in checkout. You can use WooCommerce very, very easily. The only difference with LearnDash and TalentLMS, where there's quite a few, but you can have custom branding with TalentLMS. And it is a little bit easier to launch with TalentLMS than Learn. But for the long run, LearnDash is a clear winner, although it does require some setup. However, you just want something simple, you want to test an MVP, Teachable could be good. You can't do CE certificates, you can't do group access, can't do compliance reporting, or custom branding, but it's a good way to start and maybe vision your continuing education website. Alright, with that being said, we'll see you on the next video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at wooninjas.com. Ask us any questions here and we'll be happy to help.